Hey guys, what's going on? It's David here. Welcome back to my channel. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever tried making money on Amazon KDP, but you got stuck spending hours designing low-content books, messing around with tools like Canva, and still not getting results? Yeah, it's frustrating. You know there's money in journals, planners, and notebooks, but the process just feels slow, repetitive, and honestly kind of exhausting. Well, what if you could skip all that grind and create fully ready-to-publish planner books in minutes instead of hours? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. But before we jump in, make sure you check out the link in the description below. I've put together a full written review of Techo Royalty, where I break down all the OTOs, the discount offers, the all-in-one bundle deal, and also my exclusive bonuses that cover different aspects of digital marketing to help you get better results with this. Alright, so, what is Techo Royalty? Techo Royalty is built around what's considered the last untapped low-content niche on Amazon KDP, and it's actually the only tool designed specifically to tap into it. It's a cloud-based drag-and-drop platform that lets you create planner, diary, and calendar books without any complicated setup. You get access to over 300 ready-made templates across more than 30 niche categories, plus a powerful bulk book builder that can generate a complete planner in one go. It also includes real-dated calendar generation, so everything is accurate and ready to publish, and you can export your files as PNG or PDF, fully optimized for Amazon KDP or even Etsy. And the best part, it auto-saves your work every couple of seconds, there's nothing to install, and you don't have to deal with that slow manual design process anymore. So yeah, it's all about speed, simplicity, and actually getting results. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and whether it's worth your money. So let's dive in.
What if you could earn royalties from books you never have to write? Not novels, not ebooks you spend months on, planners, diaries, and calendars. The kind of books people buy every single day on Amazon, and the kind that keep paying you royalties long after the work is done. That's the real opportunity. Passive royalties from low-content books. And right now, this corner of Amazon KDP is still wide open. Most low-content niches are brutally saturated, but the planner, diary, and calendar niche? Buyers are leaving reviews this week. Bestseller flags stacked deep. Most of the supply is honestly pretty mediocre, and demand keeps climbing year after year while supply still can't keep up. So why isn't everyone collecting royalties from it? Because the process to actually make a book is brutal. You open Canva and lose your whole Sunday dragging boxes that won't align. Page 18 doesn't match page 17. You start over. Or you buy a PLR pack for $47. And so do 8,000 other publishers. So Amazon's algorithm flags duplicates, and your book disappears on page 14 of search. Or you hire a freelance designer for $200 and wait 2 weeks for something that's close but not quite right. By the time you've paid for all that, your first 50 sales in royalties are already gone. This is the part that stops people. Not the opportunity. The grind to get a book made so the royalties can actually start coming in. That's why we created Techo Royalty. It's a cloud-based drag-and-drop planner engine built for sellers who want to publish on Amazon KDP and Etsy and start stacking royalty-earning books without burning weekends in Canva or paying designers every time. Here's what makes it different. Most tools think in pages. We think in sections, habit grids, mood rows, time slots, Kanban boards, macro circles. You stack them onto a page like Lego bricks. Want a daily planner? Drop in a dateline, time slots, a priority box. Done. Want a fitness journal? Drop in macro circles, a habit grid, a workout log. Done. 30 section types, 303 stock templates across more than 30 niches. Infinite combinations. You don't need design skills. The system handles the layouts, margins, and alignment. You just pick the niche and let the book go to work earning royalties. When you're done, one click exports a clean PDF, ready to upload to KDP. The whole book, start to finish, before your coffee gets cold. Then it sits on Amazon, doing the selling for you. Inside, you get the full drag and drop editor, the 300 plus templates, the bulk book builder that lets you assemble an entire book in one go, a real dated calendar generator, and PNG and PDF export with clean file names. Plus, autosave every 2 seconds. You also get 4 founders-only power tools stacked onto your order. The PDF page mover, reorder, insert, swap, and delete pages inside any PDF interior without Adobe or command line. The interior generator, assemble a full print-ready book interior in one pass. The cover calculator, plug in your trim size, page count, and paper type, and get back the exact spine width, bleed, and wrap dimensions KDP demands. And the KDP keyword finder. Find the search terms buyers are actually typing into Amazon, so you can fill all 7 keyword slots based on demand instead of guesswork. These 4 tools handle the 4 parts of KDP publishing that usually slow sellers down. Interior assembly, page reordering, cover specs, keyword research, and you own everything you create. No watermarks, no royalty splits, no licensing fees. Every royalty Amazon pays out goes straight to you. If you scroll down this page, you can see real KDP royalty screenshots and unprompted feedback from members already earning royalties from past books built with our software. Same publisher pool, same royalty pipeline. There are also live snippets from inside Amazon showing the demand pool sitting there right now, plus support conversations with Luke and I directly. No bots, no ticket queues. Founders' pricing is intentional. Early supporters get the best deal because they show up first. When the launch window closes, the price goes up. That's not a fake countdown. When it hits 0, the offer changes. So here's the simple version. The niche is open. The tool is built. The royalty pipeline is real. If you'd rather spend one afternoon building a book that pays you for years than waste another weekend in Canva, click below and lock in Founders Access while it's still available.
So that's my full review. Now, before you make any decision, I highly recommend you check out the full review page linked in the description below. On that page, you'll find a complete Techo royalty walkthrough and demo, a full breakdown of the pricing and OTOs, including the bundle deal, and an honest look at who this product is really best suited for. On top of that, you'll also get access to my exclusive bonus package, which is designed to support different areas of digital marketing like traffic generation, automation, content creation, and monetization. These bonuses are there to help you get the most out of Techo royalty and improve your overall results online, not just with one platform. So if you're serious about building an online business, getting more traffic, generating leads, or creating new income streams, go ahead and click the link in the description, check out the full review, watch the demos, and see if this is the right fit for you. If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2, the 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones. And Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche. Sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
Thanks again for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.